feels like to hold a rocket in your hands, only this time on 4 wheels? Welcome to VR AutoZone, where today we're diving headfirst into one of the most extreme, insane, and downright jaw-dropping hypercars of 2026. The Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. Forget everything you think you know about speed, luxury, or handling. This machine is here to redefine them. And trust me, by the end of this video, you might just rethink your entire idea of what a car can be. Why the Chiron Pur Sport is truly special in 2026. The Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport isn't just another version of the Chiron. It's a hyper-focused, track-inspired evolution. While the standard Chiron is about raw, straight-line dominance, the Pur Sport is all about agility, precision, and emotional connection behind the wheel. Every curve, every line, every inch of its carbon fiber body screams performance-focused engineering. But here's what really sets it apart in 2026. Bugatti has completely reworked the gearbox, suspension, and aerodynamics. The result? A car that doesn't just blast past 200 miles per hour. It feels alive in every corner, every braking zone, and every apex. The Pur Sport is, in essence, the Chiron for purists, for thrill seekers who crave engagement over just raw numbers. And honestly, that's a rarity in today's hypercar market. Honest pros and cons. What you need to know. Let's get real. Nothing is perfect, not even a $1.5 million hypercar. Pros. Unmatched handling. The revised suspension and shorter gearing make it feel incredibly responsive, almost like it's reading your mind. Extreme attention to detail. From the lightweight wheels to the Alcantara interior touches, every detail screams craftsmanship. Iconic W16 engine, 8.0-liter quad turbo power producing over 1,500 horsepower. Yes, it's brutal and addictive. Cons. Price. If you have to ask, it's likely out of reach. But we all knew that, right? Ride comfort. Pur Sport sacrifices some highway serenity for sharper cornering, so this isn't your daily commuter. Maintenance and upkeep. Let's be honest. Owning a Bugatti is an emotional and financial commitment. It's not for the faint of heart. If you're thinking, should I even consider this car? Hold on, we'll break that down next. Comparison with current market trends. In 2026, the hypercar world is dominated by hybrids and electrics, many promising insane straight-line speed, but lacking soul behind the wheel. Ferrari, McLaren, and Porsche are pushing tech-heavy systems, yet Bugatti keeps a balance between modern engineering and old-school driver joy. The Chiron Pur Sport isn't chasing the hybrid trend. It's embracing pure mechanical engagement while still flirting with cutting-edge aerodynamics. Think about it. While most competitors focus on flashy tech and headlines, Bugatti gives you a visceral connection that reminds you why you fell in love with cars in the first place. It's a bold statement in a market moving faster than ever toward computers and AI-driven performance. Who this car is really for and who it's not. Let's be blunt. The Chiron Pur Sport isn't for everyone. It's for those who don't just want to be seen. They want to feel speed, precision, and engineering mastery. Track enthusiasts, collectors, and adrenaline seekers will find it intoxicating. But if your idea of fun is commuting and comfort, or you're chasing tech toys like autonomous driving features, this isn't your playground. The Pur Sport is unapologetic. It's for the purists, the ones who can appreciate a car that communicates every nuance of speed and control directly to their hands. Direct viewer engagement. Let's chat quick question for you. If money was no object, would you take the Pur Sport for a 30-minute track session or a weekend road trip across the Alps? Drop your answer in the comments. I want to see how many of you are thrill seekers versus scenic cruise lovers. And don't forget to hit that like button if you've ever dreamed about driving a car this insane. The surprising twist you didn't expect. Now, here's the kicker. Despite all this extreme engineering, the Chiron Pur Sport can still lap the Nürburgring at times faster than cars twice its horsepower. And here's the mind-blowing part. It achieves this while keeping a more refined, controllable feel than the standard Chiron. Bugatti didn't just make a faster car, they made a smarter, sharper, more emotionally engaging one. It's almost like the Hypercar has a personality of its own, fierce yet calculated. And just when you think you've absorbed it all, here's the ultimate twist. Every Pur Sport is slightly customizable, down to the stitching on the seats and the color of the brake calipers. This isn't just a car, it's a bespoke statement on wheels. Imagine a car that not only dominates roads and tracks, but also becomes a canvas for your personality. That's the 2026 Bugatti Chiron Pur Sport. Final thoughts. In a world racing toward electric speed demons, the Chiron Pur Sport